Hi everyone, Humphrey Family Holsteins here, just doing an update on our chicks. As you can see, the last time you saw we had 5. Now we have 16. We still have our Plymouth Rocks, which is the 3 black ones, and we have 2 little white ones. And they are our Plymouth Rocks, and they are multi-purpose. They're for eggs, brown eggs, and meat. And then we have our Cornish, which we have 6 of those, the bigger ones. We have 6 of those, and those are our meat chickens. And then we have 5 Leghorns, which are these, and they will be our white egg layers. And we've had them a few weeks now, and tomorrow is the day that the coop gets built, and they get a new home tomorrow. And as you can see, they are running out of space and they are stinking up my house. So this mama is ready for her little chicks to be outside. And we have just cleaned out their cage and put fresh food and fresh water out. And so as you can see, they are pigging out. Anyways, just giving a quick little update on our chicks before you see the video of them getting their new home, which will be tomorrow. But not quite sure how many days after this video you will see their new home. Anyways, quick update from all our little chicks.
Hey, if you like us, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Say goodbye. Hi, buddy.